Hi YouTube, my name is Alicia and I am Heart and Hand Creations and Events. What I do is arts and crafts, and right now I'm on an African Statuette series. At some point you will get to see all of the statuettes I have done. It's like every day I'm putting out a new one. I'm working on this man right here. And I'm accessorizing. I don't know if you can see, but I had some necklaces that were pre-made. Of course, this one doesn't really match. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there we go. But I'll probably leave it on them anyway. But we'll see after I make the new necklace. That kind of matches. The beads are a little iridescent, the ones that I'm using, and then I have black. Can you see what I got there? So that's what I'm using. Dollar Tree, people. Yes. And this right here, I have, I'm using floral wire. This is silver 26 gauge. I also have the gold floral wire, and this is 24 gauge, quarter pound. So at the moment, I'm stringing a necklace. Let's see how long I want it to be. And I'm just alternating from the white to the gray. It's like a steel gray. A little steel gray. So as you see, this can be very tedious. But you know, it's alright. It can also be very therapeutic for me. Alright, so this is a necklace. You see that? And I'm going to twist it up. Oh, there we go. I'm going to twist it up and put it on my man here. It's big enough to fit over his head. Yep, good. Woo. Almost forgot about that. And there we go, and I just twist and twist and twist. Twist that wire up. Now I'm gonna twist it up tight. Cut it off at a certain point here. I have another set of needle nose wire cutters. It makes it easy for me to bend and shape wires and cut. So I'm pressing this down to keep from sticking myself or scratching up the statue's neck. There. And there we are. Close up. Thank you for sticking around and watching. Hit that thumbs up if you liked it. Hit subscribe. And hit that bell so that every time I put up a video, you'll get the notification. Thank you. Bye-bye.